Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto E13 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. But first, open your phone dialer and make sure that you're on the keypad, because here we'll be entering those codes, and the first one that we can use is *#O 6#. And as you can see, this one will provide us with device information, so whenever you wish to read your email number or maybe serial number, this is the code that you should enter. Tap on OK to exit. And then another code that you can use is *##, 225, ###. And here we've got the calendar info. So as you can see, every calendar that is connected to this device would be included here. Every email and the calendar that is connected to this email, so you will not forget about any important event. All events would be included here, so you can smoothly enter the code and check up what is in the days that are coming. And the last code that I would like to show you today is *##, 426, *##. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, so you can check events and status here. If you wish to reach some more advanced view, just tap on more and mark the switcher. So here we've got a bit more info. And that would be all. Then you can go back and use any other code that you wish. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.